Kenny McRae there. One place I didn't think you mentioned there the new was New Zealand. No? No, didn't mention New Zealand in that one. So funnily enough, what a link. The next poem it came from New Zealand, but it was turned from English into Scots. So it's Mary Whyte with the Claes Line.
A Claes Line. A Claes Line was a news forecast to neighbours passing by. There were no secrets you could keep when clays were hung out to dry. It also was a friendly link, for the neighbours I was new, if folk had gone in by, to spend a night or two. For then you'd see the fancy sheets and towels hanging out on the line. You'd see the fancy tablecloths with a fantouche design. The Claes announced a wean's birth to the folk that bide inside, as brand new infant clays were hung, sae connily and with pride. The ages o' the weans could so easily be known by watching who the sizes changed. You'd ken how much they'd grown. It also telt when illness struck, as extra sheets were hung, the night clays in a bathrobe too, haphazardly strung. It said, a wan holiday new, when the line was limp and bare. It telt, we're back when the line sagged, with no an inch to spare. New folk in the town were scorned on, if their wash was dingy grey, as neighbours raised their eyebrows and looked disgustedly away. But Claes Lines new are o' the past, for electric dryers mak work less. Knew what goes on inside a house is onybody's guess. I really miss yon wildlife. It was really a friendly sign when neighbours all came to each other about what was hung out on their Claes Line.
Mary Whyte there. Mary's originally from the same village that I'm originally from, which is probably as far away as you can get from East Calder and West Lothian, which is Blackridge, the only village of Blackridge. I'm not going to say anything about West Trig or West Craigs, but we come from Blackridge.